Alrighty, this is for Mary. Mary, the next section in stats. So we just turned in stats 2-2. But before we do section 2-3, we have this little bit in your binder. So you have 2 pages, and they both look kind of the same. Like, I've got 2 pages that are like the same, and then we have this data right here. Okay, we're going to do one of the pages together. So like the front side, we'll do that together, and then you'll do the back side on your own. Okay, so we have MAPS data. And Mary, you don't know this, but MAPS testing is a standardized testing that we do for everybody except seniors. Seniors don't take these MAPS tests, but they test you in these 4 categories: math, reading, language, science, whatever. And this data is from a long time ago, like 3 or 4 years ago. I had 26 students, and then I just took all their scores and threw them in a spreadsheet and called it a day, right? So you can do whatever you want. I really wanted to do math, though. You're killing me. You're killing me. What? But I really wanted to do math. But I really wanted to do math. She'd already started. Little cheater, Peter. All right, whatever. Let's do, I don't know.
Wait, why can't we do math?
Because she's already started. We're doing math. I want to do math. We're going to do math. Okay, fine. We're going to do math. So, this is what you will have to do on the back side, but we're going to do this one together. So, on the front side, it says, use the additional paper supplied for your data. Choose one of the 4 MAPS categories to create a frequency table and histogram. You don't have to erase.
Why are we making...
What are you doing? Oh. Okay. All right, the category I chose was, we're going to do math together. All right, in the math column, the highest score was, I have no idea.
284.
284. Yeah, right here, 284. And the lowest score was I see a 209. Is there anything else? 209 is the lowest. Person 10. Okay. So 284 and 209, that's what we're going to put here. 284 and a 209. Okay, I am choosing to use this many classes for my frequency table, and I have a class width of blah, blah, blah.
5.
So do 100 and start at 200.
What?
Do 5.
Do 5?
Yeah, 20 each.
20 each. I am choosing to use 5 classes and do a width of 20. Okay, so, all right. Yeah, let's go. So, yeah, 200 is the smallest, right? If we subtract these 2, by the way, you get 70, I don't know.
Wait, why are we...
How many? 75 as my width?
Oh, these are scores. I thought these were...
Okay. All right, if we do a class width of 20, what are we going from? 200 to 2. Okay. 220. Yep, I'm listening to Josie. 239. Oh, gosh, my life is terrible. 240 to 2, what? 59. Did I do that right? Am I doing that right? I can't math today. Whatever. Okay. Ooh, oy vey. All right, 200 to 219. I don't know how we want to do this. I don't want to tally. I'm going to go through and circle them.
Okay.
200 to 219. Okay, you help me.
What if you circle and forget?
No, I'm going to circle them in different colors.
Okay, 209.
Yeah? Okay, so 200 to 219. True? Oh, gosh. 200 to 219. That's what I'm circling. I'm going to do this in blue. 200 to 219. 200 to 219. You're going to get tired of me. 200 to 219.
That's it.
200 to 219. Those 2. We've got 2 of them. Okay? So, on your sheet, so I don't have to keep going back and forth, put 2. We're not doing the tally column. If you want to skip the tally column and just go straight over to the frequency column, put 2. 2. Dos más in the first column. Okay? Switching colors. Now we've got 220 to 239. 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 220 to 239, 220 to 239. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2,
Hold on.
3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. Oh, 7.
7. Okay, in the next row, put 7 under frequency. You can skip the tally column and put 7. Got it? Okay. Now we're going 240 to 259. 240 to 259. 240 to 259. Ooh, this is a lot of them. 240 to 259.
241.
240 to 259. 240 to 259. I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10.
4, 5,
10? Okay.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Now we got 260 to 279. 260 to 279. 260 to 279. 260 to 279. I got 6 of them.
5, 6. That's
6. Okay, and then one person will put them in black. They are in the last column, the 280 to 299. There's 1. Okay, will you read those numbers back to me? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's do that. Tally column. I'm gonna skip him. Frequency. How many? In the first one. 2, 7, 10, 6, 1. That adds up to be 9, 10,
I got
26. Yeah? Beautiful. Okay, 2, 7, 10, 6, 1. Awesome. Okay, how do I do relative frequency, by the way?
2 out of 26. 7 out of 26.
2 out of 26, which doesn't come out nicely. If we had 25, that would be ideal, right? 26, right? Because then I could just multiply by 4, right? Yeah? So it's not going to be... Okay, what is 2 out of 26?
7.7%.
Okay. 2 out of 20... 7 out of 26? I don't know why I did...
27%.
27.0%?
No, it's like 26.9, but
Is that what it rounds to, is 26.9?
it rounds to 27.
0.0?
I did 26.6.
And divided by 26 is 38.4%.
38.4%? Okay, somebody add these up and make sure they add up to 100%. Go.
Actually, hang on. It rounds, hang on.
It's 38.5.
Are we going, how many decimal places?
1 decimal place. 38.5.
Then the other one is 26.9.
Is the other one 26.9?
Yeah,
What it rounds to? Are you sure?
I'm pretty positive.
23.1%.
Hold on. 26.9?
And
Like 3.8.
is.
What's the fourth one? Sorry. What's 6? You're fine. You're fine. Relative frequencies.
7.7, 27.0, 38.5, 23.1, and 3.8.
And 3.8?
Yes.
What does that add up to be?
What is the decimal add up to be? That's 9.
That's not right.
14. What?
Oh, no, it is. It is. That rounds correctly.
23.
That rounds correctly.
Yeah, that does.
Yeah.
9, 13, 17, 20, yeah.
Oh my god.
Is 100%. Perfect. Now, will it always be 100% every time?
Yes. It should be.
It should be 100 or 99.9 or 100.1, depending on how you round, because sometimes it might just like shove it right over, right? So, but it should be right close to 100%. Okay, how do I do cumulative frequency?
2.
Eli, I'm doing this homework for you.
2.
2.
9.
9. How'd you get 9?
2 plus 7.
2 plus 7. 19. 25.
and
26, right? Accumulating every time. There's your cumulative frequency. Okay? All right. Lower class limits. Oh, I've got in the wrong spot. Here we go. Lower class limits. What are my lowers? 200. 220. 240. 260. Yep. And 280. Okay? Uppers.
Wait, how, that's just the lower numbers?
Yep. Uppers.
219,
Yep. 219.
239,
239.
259,
259. 279. 299. Okay, what are class boundaries again?
Is that like
That's-
the middle?
Yeah, that's like, what if I have 219.2? Where does he go? What if I have 219.9, which is not going to happen, but...
At what point do you round up around?
Yeah, like the halvesy number between these two numbers, right? What is he? 219.5. What's the next one?
220 point, or 39.
239.5.
259.
59.5.
27.
279.5. I'm following you. 299.5.
You forgot 29.
Wait, what? We don't need 299 for 5.
Woo!
Wait, no, you didn't. Wait.
229.5. No, I don't need that. I don't need
No,
that.
no, no.
Yeah,
We don't need 299 for
correct. Yeah,
Okay, can we like
Yeah,
pause
right.
for a second?
yep.
Okay, so 219.5
Uh-huh.
and 239.5.
How wide are the classes?
10.
20.
20. Class width. That one's the only one that has one number. That's nice. I'm doing your homework for you. You're not even on the right page. Yes, this is your homework. Yes, for
Wait,
sure.
so, like,
100%.
Is our
Right
class
there. There he is.
boundaries?
No. You flipped too many pages. Child, go back.
So our class boundaries just our upper limit and plus the 0.5.
Kind of. It's halfway between this guy and this guy.
Oh, God. Oh, okay.
So our upper limit's plus.
So what? 230.5.
Kind of. If like let's say you're going from 1.0 to 1.1 and then you're going 1.2 to 1.3, then it would be 1.15. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So he's like 0.5 more. Like yeah. So yeah. All right, class midpoints. What's halfway between 200 and 219? 209.5? 229.5.
249.
Can you do these by your... Josie's doing a really good job of doing this for you. Can you do it on your own? If you need to?
Maybe 69.
Boys?
Why do you say boys?
Because you guys are the ones that are like chatting over there when I'm trying to do your homework for you. Okay? All right, good? Okay. Use the data above to create a histogram. Be sure to label your axes or I take off points. Let's do that first. What is your bottom axis title?
5.
What?
I don't like having 5. What? Take Robert.
Oh, right, yeah. Axis labels. What's the bottom? What goes down here?
No!
Those are your classes. What are your classes called, though?
Grades. Test.
Math,
I don't know.
maps, scores.
Can I just go MMS? Would you understand?
Well, nobody's gonna know what that is. We're assuming you're looking at this chart and you have no idea what we're talking about. You should be able to decipher
We're
it.
doing relative. or
'Kay?
Normal.
We're doing normal.
What the heck? I'm so confused.
Use the above data to create a histogram. Let's go frequency over here.
Let's not.
Okay, what's our smallest frequency?
0.
1. Our biggest frequency is
10.
Can you?
10. Okay,
Just do 10.
should we do 10? 10? Halvesies? 5? Oh, now we gotta split. Woo.
What's the last
1, 2. Oh gosh, that's not enough.
2, 3,
1,
4,
2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I did my best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go.
Pretty decent.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. Okay, now what? Bottom. Should we do our little doop thing? Right?
2, 3, 4.
It'd be a big do-to-do thing.
Why can I not do this?
We're missing like 200.
All right, yeah.
1,
Like 200 points. Okay, first one is 200 to 219. I'm gonna go this way. 200 to 219. 220 to 239. 240 to 259.
This is in the butt.
260 to 2. Whoa.
How many is there?
To 279. And then 280 to 299.
Okay, please pause for
Beautiful.
260 to what? 260.
La 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 la.
70.
Okay.
280 to what?
99. 299.
Then what?
2.
bam.
2 in the first category.
9, 7, free.
And 7. Oh, heavens to Betsy. Right
10, 10.
here.
Well,
Oof. Do your best.
And then 6.
Come on, you got a fancy tool. Use it.
I know. But I'm scared. Oh, I need to start from the bottom and go up. Because then I know he'll end up being in the right
What's
spot.
after 7? 10?
10, 6.
Is it 7?
7, 10, 6.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Oh, I just went crazy on my graph, guys.
There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice straight line. Awesome. 6-1. Oh man, oh man.
Color it in, right?
Guess what? You can color it in, but you don't have to.
We're coloring it.
Colors. Whoa.
What colors do you pick?
6.
I already picked
1.
teals, yellow, because I circled them.
This was a very, very, very good example. How's come?
Because it's a normal one.
Normal distribution. Yee. He is decently normally distributed. I like it. It's very pretty. Okay? That's usually what happens is you have like a lot of people that live in this range, and then you have not a very many that live over here and not very many that live over here, right? Okay? That's a lot of times what happens. Especially with scores.
Can you what's the midpoint? I don't get that stuff. So like, can you assist me with my midpoint?
I don't get it.
What?
Can you assist me with my midpoint?
Oh.
I think I did
You
this
can
wrong.
average the first and the last together. Like,
No, I think I did this wrong. So like the boundaries, is that my midpoint actually?
no, that's your boundaries. Like, it's like the cutoff mark from here. Yep,
Okay,
your
what's my
boundaries are
midpoint then?
So what's the middle, like the middle between here and here?
So 204.5?
Yes, that's exactly it. Okay, all right, are we happy with that? Okay, your task is to use the rest of the time in class to do another category. So you choose, not math, but one of the other 3 and do that category. Math is fairly spread apart, honestly, like math, yeah, like the 284, that was a pretty high score, so we had to go like quite a ways. I don't think on any of the other categories I would necessarily go by 20s.
Yeah.
Right? You might have to go by 10s or 15s or 5s even. I have no idea. Depending on how spread apart your data is. So that's where it's important to figure out what your highest and lowest score are and to determine what you're going to go by. Okay?
Do it as a team.
Try it on your own.
Team bonding.
You will be more productive if you try it on your own. Okay? All right. So there you go. Make sure you label your axes. Got it? Anybody have any questions? You're just doing this side for homework. Good?
My dad will tell me.
All right. There we go. Goodbye, Mary.